Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Toro Matcha. This one is the lemon mint. I've done a review of the ginger, the peach, and the pineapple. So this one here, here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video in the nutrient panel. So it's sparkling water, organic, natural flavors, Japanese matcha, citric acid, chlorophyll. It does contain caffeine, 60 milligrams. These are on sale, so let's do a quick taste test. My least favorite one was the ginger so far. Let's try this one. This is the lemon lime. You know, I think this is probably my favorite out of the 4 that I've tried, but it's not like I would rather get something different, but that's me. Because it does have a slight bitter note to it. Because matcha generally naturally does, the green tea naturally does. So, but taste-wise, this is probably my favorite out of all of them. It has nice lemon lime sort of flavor to it. So, all right, guys, see you more videos. Remember to subscribe to the channel.